Welcome to our video on how to make money online using the most powerful tools available. Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to supplement your income? Look no further, as in this video we will be sharing the top 10 tools that can help you make money online effortlessly. These tools are so advanced, they allow you to earn money even while you sleep. We will be introducing you to the most cutting-edge technology and platforms, ones that have been making waves in the online earning space. From chatbots to language models, these tools have been gaining popularity in recent times, and for good reason. They are efficient, easy to use, and most importantly, they work. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make the most out of these tools and start earning money online. So grab a notebook and a pen and get ready to take your online earning game to the next level. And don't forget, by coming through our links, you'll not only be getting the best deal on these tools, but also you'll be supporting us as we receive a small bonus. So it's a win-win situation for both parties. First, let's talk about Pictory.ai. This platform is a game changer for anyone looking to create visually stunning content. With Pictory.ai, you can generate high-quality images and videos with just a few clicks. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or small business owner, Pictory.ai makes it easy to create engaging visual content that will help you stand out online. The platform offers a wide range of templates and tools to help you create images and videos that are both professional and visually stunning. With Pictory.ai, you'll be able to create engaging visual content in no time, and without the need for expensive equipment or software. Next, we have Murf.ai. This platform is an ad-powered tool that helps businesses automate their customer service interactions. With Murf.ai, you can create a chatbot that can answer frequently asked questions, route customer inquiries to the right department, and even help with sales and marketing. The platform is incredibly easy to use and requires no coding or technical skills. With Murf.ai, you can provide your customers with 24/7 support, increase your sales, and reduce your customer service costs. The platform also offers a range of analytics tools to help you measure the effectiveness of your chatbot and make data-driven decisions. Next on the list is Okoya.com. This platform is a game changer for experts and professionals looking to monetize their skills and knowledge. Whether you're a consultant, coach, or specialist, Okoya.com makes it easy to connect with clients and get paid for your expertise. With Okoya.com, you can create a profile, list your services, and set your own prices, giving you the flexibility to work on your own schedule and earn money doing what you love. But Okoya.com is not just for freelancers. It's also a great resource for businesses and individuals looking for specialized services. The platform makes it easy to search for and find the right expert for your needs, saving you time and money. And with a range of tools and features, Okoya.com makes it easy to manage your projects, communicate with your clients, and get paid. Next, we have Beethoven.ai, a revolutionary platform for musicians and music producers. Beethoven.ai allows you to upload your music and sell it to a global audience of music lovers and professionals. The platform also offers a range of tools to help you promote your music and grow your fan base. With Beethoven.ai, you can turn your passion for music into a profitable career. Beethoven.ai offers a wide range of features, from easy uploading and sharing of your music to detailed analytics and statistics that help you understand your audience and target your promotion efforts. With a user-friendly interface, you can easily manage your music, track your sales and earnings, and connect with fans and collaborators. Flare.ai is a cutting-edge platform for businesses and entrepreneurs looking to improve their customer engagement and sales. The platform uses advanced artificial intelligence and natural language processing to create personalized and engaging experiences for customers. Whether you're looking to improve your customer service, increase sales, or boost customer loyalty, Flare.ai can help you achieve your goals. With its easy-to-use interface and powerful features, Flare.ai is the perfect tool for any business looking to take their customer engagement to the next level. Synthesia.ai is a revolutionary platform for digital content creators. The platform allows you to quickly and easily create high-quality videos, animations, and other digital content using cutting-edge artificial intelligence and machine learning technology. Whether you're a blogger, vlogger, or digital marketer, Synthesia.ai can help you create engaging and professional-looking content that will help you stand out from the crowd. With its wide range of features and tools, Synthesia.ai is the perfect solution for anyone looking to create digital content that stands out from the competition. Moving on, we have Copy.ai. This platform provides a simple and powerful solution for content creation. With Copy.ai, you can generate high-quality written content, such as blog posts, product descriptions, and more, with just a few clicks. The platform uses cutting-edge AI technology to understand the context of your request and generate content that is both informative and engaging. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner, Copy.ai can help you save time and increase your productivity. Another tool that is worth mentioning is CopyMonkey.ai. This platform offers a unique solution for content generation and rewriting. With CopyMonkey.ai, you can easily rewrite and paraphrase existing content, making it unique and SEO-friendly. This platform is great for marketers, content creators, and SEO professionals who want to optimize their content for the web without spending hours on manual rewriting. CopyMonkey.ai is a great solution for those who want to increase their online presence and drive more traffic to their website. Stocking.ai is the perfect solution for businesses and individuals looking for high-quality stock images. With a user-friendly interface, Stocking.ai offers a wide range of images to choose from, making it easy to find the perfect one for your project. Whether you're looking for images to use on your website, social media, or in a presentation, Stocking.ai has something for everyone. And with affordable pricing options, you can purchase the perfect image without breaking the bank. But Stocking.ai is not just a platform for purchasing stock images. It also offers a range of tools and features to help you optimize and customize your images to suit your needs. You can easily crop, resize, and adjust the brightness and contrast of the images to make them look perfect. And with the ability to save your favorite images for quick and easy access later, Stocking.ai makes it simple to use the same images in different projects. Video.ai, on the other hand, is a game changer for those looking to create professional quality videos. With a user-friendly interface, Video.ai offers a wide range of features that allow you to easily edit and customize your videos. Whether you're looking to create product demos, how-to videos, or promotional content, Video.ai has everything you need to make your videos look and sound amazing. The platform offers a range of templates and themes to choose from, making it easy to create a video that perfectly suits your brand. And with the ability to add text, images, and other elements to your videos, you can easily create a polished, professional-looking video in just a few minutes. In addition to its editing capabilities, Video.ai also offers a range of tools to help you promote your videos and grow your audience. With the ability to easily share your videos on social media and other platforms, you can reach a wider audience and increase your visibility online. And with the ability to track your video's performance and engagement, you can easily see which videos are resonating with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, there are many tools out there that can help you make money online and turn your passion into a profitable career. Whether you're a musician, a photographer, a consultant, or a coach, there's a tool that can help you reach your goals. We've just discussed some of the top tools available, including Okoya.com, Beethoven.ai, Stocking.ai, and Video.ai. Don't forget to check out the links provided below to learn more about these tools and take advantage of the special bonuses available when you sign up through our affiliate links. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.